Yo, what's going on, community? Welcome back to another video. So guys, today we are exploring another amazing platform, MyPal. Before starting our video, make sure that you have like, share, subscribe, and after subscribe my channel, please hit the bell icon, then you will get an access of all my videos notification. And request to all guys, please watch the video till end for the better experience. So now let's dive in. Here is our platform. Name is MyPal. So guys, if you hold USDT and you have ever struggled to actually spend in real life, paying for groceries, booking a flight, sending money to the family, or just covering your daily expenses, then this video is for you. Today I'm introducing you the MyPal, a Web3 fintech platform that is generally bridging the gap between the crypto and the real world spending. Let me break down exactly what is said and why people are talking about it. So first of all, here's our platform, which is also in front of you. Global payments and cross-border remittance become simple. Multi-currency digital cards for settlement, secure and compliant. So first of all, if you're gonna get your card, you need to click over there, get card now, and you can also download their app. Is also available there. They also have on the Google Play Store and other type of the platform. They're also available there. So basically, here's they are what they have. Their services. Number one is that virtual card, one USDT card opening, Apple Pay and Google Pay instant card issuing, global payments, sport USDT, and number second is physical card, which is 17 USDT shipping. Though it's also providing real-time transactions, POS payments delivered in 7 days, ATM withdrawals, international remittance is also available there, fast cross-border transfer, secure global network, low fees, competitive rates, and support multiple currencies. That is insane. And after that, it is also trusted by worldwide. They also have 100k plus global user, 180 plus countries, and $5 million plus daily volume. That is also an insane thing about this platform. And user cases also here. What their subscriptions, their cross-border, you can say the shopping, ATM card withdrawal, ads, gaming, entertainment, travel spending. You can literally do anything with the MyPal card. So let me show you what are their products. Their products are also available there, so you can also check them out. The partner stores are also available there. In the product section, you can also check out the MyPal card. They also have international remittance and bank VA account too. So let me show you how this card works. First of all, guys, how you can register on this platform. So let me show you. First, you need to give your own email address if you don't have an account. If you have a an account, you can click on the login option. So guys, you can also check it out. Here is everything. You can check it out. Here's our card. Basically, the top of withdrawal, everything's there. How you can withdraw on this platform is super duper easy. You need to give your email address and enter everything. Then you can withdraw from this platform. And they also have top up option. How you can top on this platform is also super easy. They are giving you the address, basically BAP20 T20, and you can literally deposit through the Binance, which is also easy. The QR skin codes are also available there, so you can also check them out. And literally, you can exchange on this platform. Like you need to exchange your USDT into the USD, which is basically the coin of the or currency of the MyPal that you can use in the daily. Like you said, on the daily limits. And here's the other thing like card also available there, how their card works. Basically, there are still a lot of things. Let me show you. Here's the physical cards also available there. They pay for shipping fee. They also have their virtual card basically, so you can also check them. Both of the cards are also available there. And in the transfer option, here's all you can also they also support a lot of the currencies from all over the world, so you can also check them out. And here's my account section, and you need to do your KYC authentication must if you wanna use this platform. So guys, that was our video about the MyPal, one of the bestest and full of card. If you are in the daily shopping and if you wanna use the international card on the daily basis, this is one of the bestest choice for you. So that's for our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. We will meet on the next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thank you.